What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video on YouTube. I haven't posted in a while. I know there's an old song, but now I don't post as much as I used to. But what I did is I actually took this out before you guys, before I thought of taking this video. But technically this daylight running light was going, I mean, it was working, but it was flickering. But now that I see it, actually it's rusted a little bit. As you guys can see, I think it's a good light bulb, but it's rusted a little bit. So because it's pretty much exposed, right? So what I did is I went ahead on Amazon and bought another bulb that's right here. So it's an LED. I forgot what lumens it is right now, but I think it's slightly a little bit brighter than the one I had. I also forgot how bright the other one was, but this is the one that I just bought. Combriler, can't say it right. That's what I have right now. So that's what I just put on the vehicle right now, and it works, right? It's actually pretty bright, and I think the good thing about this one, not water is actually going to get to it, because it actually has a cover on it. You know, it's a plastic cover. So I believe the reason why this one was working sometimes and sometimes not working is just because somehow water got into it. As you guys can see, it's a little bit rusted in there though. So other than that, it was a good bulb, but it's time to replace it. And I just replaced that one. So I'm about to go on the other side and I'll show you guys how I take off the other side, since I already taken this one out. I just didn't think it was the right bulb, but you know, it fits perfect. Correction, it's actually not a parking light. I mean, it's not a daylight running light, because when you think about it though, I already have one here. So you guys can see it. So I believe that's what you call the parking light. I'm not sure, but you know, to get it back, you just slide it back. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it from here though. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see it. To get back, so there's a hole that's right above here, next to the daylight running light, and you just have to kind of swivel with it a little bit and make sure that it locks in, it goes in the right way. So it's in right now. So pretty much you get it back that way, you push it forward, and then you twist it. Once you twist it, it's good and steady. Can't talk today, man. What's wrong with me? So anyway, let's come to this guy on the passenger side, and let me show you how easy it is. Let me see. Maybe I talk too fast. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, that's the guy up there though. So Lexus made it very easy for us to get to it. It's a lot easier. So the best thing you can do is move this cover and slide it on the side. So I'm gonna pull the first one out. So what you want to do, because mine is already missing the screws up here, so all I have to do is just slide it. Actually, I might not be able to do that, because I forgot that I have a few more screws back here. I was just trying to be lazy and not get it out, but let me see. I really don't want to get it out, and if I force it, I'll break it. So let me just get these screws out, the plastic rivets. Let me put them out real quick, and then I'll take it off. Now that the cover is on the side, as you guys can see, main thing is, oh man, this thing that she thought it was cracked, but it's not cracked. So you got your box here though, so it might get on my way, this air box, but let me just try to see if I can squeeze it without getting the air box off. So as you guys can see, you just twist it. It's already loose, so I may not have to take the air box, which is great. I didn't feel like dealing with it. Today's one of those days that I'm a little bit lazy. I just washed my wife's car, and I also need to wash this car and the Subaru, so I'm trying to conserve as much energy as I can. So as you guys can see on the passenger side, it's actually doesn't have water in it. I guess that's the reason why it was working well. No rust at all. So it looks like. So all I have to do is just pull it out. Again, I'm using one hand there. I can show you guys. That's the old light bulb. So I'm gonna just put the new one in, and we should be money, right? Everything is money, I guess. Let's see. Here we go. So here's a new one. As you guys can see, it has a plastic cover around it, so that's perfect. That will prevent it from, you know, from exposure, from moisture or anything like that. So that's how it looks like on the inside. So this part up here just locks in. So again, I don't have anybody to hold the phone, so let me just go ahead and I'll clip it back on. So right now it's in. All I have to do is just grab it this way and pretty much direct it back to where it came from. It's really hard to see in here though. It's a little bit dark, but since I have a general idea where it goes, I just try to get it in there somehow. So oh man, let me do this. Let me put the phone down and let me work on it real quick. Able to get it back in. Before I put all the covers back in, what I want to make sure is the light works. So put the vehicle on the on position. Oh man, gotta get the key out. So then oops, let me turn the music off. Oh man, all right, I don't want to be copyrighted. There's what do you call that? It's the K-Love channel, Christian music, you know. So all right, so looking good right now. Not sure why they're not working. Okay, should be on. Let me see. Yep, as you can see, it's on. It's very bright. That's what I wanted. Oh my gosh, you know what I just found out? Now my headlight is out now. Not sure why. My headlight is out. Can't believe this, man. This truly sucks. My headlight is out. Can't tell you why. Don't know. Jeez, man, I can't catch a break with this car. Oh man, it's amazing. My headlight is out. So I'm not sure what just happened with my headlight, but my headlight is off. But what I would do is the headlights, I had just replaced them to LED bulbs not too long ago. It's a plug and play. I think what I would do is I just go back to the HIDs. I think it's better off just to stay with them though, because I mean right now it's off and I'm not sure why it's off. It smells like something is burnt. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure if me replacing that parking light or light bulb messed up the headlight. But then again, it should have done for the same for the passenger side, or probably just a coincidence. So not sure what's going on though. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna go ahead and buy new ones, but HID light bulbs, and replace it, because you know, obviously, luckily right now it's summertime almost, so so the sun is staying a little bit later. But yeah, I definitely don't want to be driving with the with half the lights on. So it's a hazard thing though. It's a safety hazard thing. So sucks, man. Then one more thing I meant to show you guys, and I'm gonna put a clip on this video though. Somehow my car is leaking oil below. I'm not sure it's from the transfer case, not sure. Again, I'll post that video up there, you guys can see it. So what I did is I went ahead and sprayed it with the brake cleaner, see if it comes back again. And but I think it's an active leak. I don't have a flashlight to show you guys, but let me see if we can see anything right now. But yeah, it's kind of disappointing. So, but then again, it's not disappointing. The car is old. Have 200 and how many miles? I mean, not 200 yet, but I'm at 197,000 miles. So the leak is coming just from here. Again, it's kind of dark out here. I just sprayed the brake cleaner to see if the leak is not going to show as much, but it's coming from this piece up here. I'm not sure what this is. Probably has to do with the transfer case. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not too good with Lexus. If it was a Subaru, I don't know, but I keep an eye on it, make sure that it's not leaking. But you know, for me to find all there, it's definitely leaking. So it's probably going to be a major repair. So we'll see how things go. Yep, that was quite weird. Now my headlight is back on again, it's working. So that's kind of weird, man. Anyways, I just keep an eye on it, but it's working right now. And as you guys can see, my parking light, I guess that's what you want to call it, is working. So yeah, everything looks good now though. And for those that are still wondering about the headlight restoration, it is still holding up. It's a little bit yellowish, true, but I think for those that remember, I had mentioned that this headlight was new, or was newer, so it always looks cleaner. So but it's holding up pretty good though. So What I want to do right now is go ahead and wash it, make it look a little bit better though, and then should be good. But I'm glad that that headlight is back on. I'm probably not going to buy one right now, just for the sake of it. Another thing that I'll do as a maintenance, just to make sure that these things work. Remember, our cars have the GS350 has the headlight washer, right? So I'll just test it, make sure that it's working. I haven't done it, I've never used it. I think I only used it when I first bought it, just to make sure that it works. So I'm gonna move the car forward a little bit and test it, you know, make sure that it works. So yeah, you want to make sure that these things work though. So for that, I've never used to be should be, guys, don't laugh at me though, but I believe it should be this guy right here. Let me just give it a shot. Sure works. So let's go look at it. Yeah, it's working. It's pretty impressive, man. I love it. Oh yeah, sure works. Look at that, it works. Man, that is awesome. You know, it's funny because during winter when it snowed, there was a lot of, you know, ice and snow on the headlights, and that's something that I should have used then, you know. It's pretty cool, man. First time I used it was in 2022 October. Right now we're in 2025, so I'm glad, you know. It's the little things like that you know makes you happy, knowing that it still functions. True, right now I'm not gonna have a good night because I know that it's leaking somewhere though, so we'll figure that out. But you know, meanwhile, when I'm with you guys here, let's just check the oil level and make sure that the oil level is good, so there I can be transparent with you guys. Just want to make sure that it's good. It's always weird working on the car with neighbors around though, especially neighbors that know you, you know. Especially now that I have a garage, you know, it kind of give you like that nasty eyes. Like, dude, just working on my car, man. You want me working on it in the parking lot or working on it in the garage? So anyways, let's check the oil level, make sure that it's good. Again, I said I want to be transparent with you guys because these cars are known to consume oil. So let me put the camera on the side. There you guys can see it. Again, I want to be transparent with you guys. Yep, on this journey of Lexus burning oil, right? So let's see how much oil we have right now. So it's actually pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the level. So we have a full. He's actually full. So I'm gonna just clean it real quick because the car was running. Let's see what it gives us this time around. So. Alrighty, so I don't know, man. It's not looking too good. So maybe that might be the oil leak that we're having. It's probably an engine oil leak. Probably the head gaskets. I'm not sure. I mean, not the head gaskets. I don't know. I can't come up with the proper term for it, but yeah, but it's quite low. So let me just give it another quick dip. Yeah, it's quite low. It's quite low. I mean, there's some oil, right? As you guys can see, it's definitely some oil, but it's quite low. So I'm gonna just go ahead and top it off real quick, and it should be good. Yeah, but I'm not happy about the oil leak. Again, that's gonna give me sleepless night because I was trying to make sure this guy is in tip-top condition, and now it's kind of. So I went ahead and added oil. As you guys can see, now you can see it a lot better. The phone can just focus, but yeah, it's just right there. So it was definitely low on oil. I'll just add a little bit, tad bit, and we should be good. We added about a quart of oil. The one I normally use is Mocho oil 5W30. I mean 5W40 though. You're supposed to use 5W30, but you know, I like the thicker oil, especially on an older engine like this that has never been opened. it kind of makes sure that things are lubricated pretty good down there. So yeah, man. But as far as the oil leak, that's bothersome for me. I don't like it. So I'm not gonna worry about it too much right now. What I'll do is on my next oil change is when I'm gonna tell the guy to look into it and see what's going on with it. Because again, that was a physical oil leak that I just saw. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the car, make sure it's clean, put everything back in. And like I said, I'm glad my headlight came back on. So driver's side. So just gotta go ahead and wash it real quick. And after that, I still gotta wash the Subaru, man. One day when I have kids, I'll have them help me a little bit, right? So I guess that's the benefit that comes with having kids, right? Because you can tell them to take care of some of this stuff. So anyways, catch you guys at the car wash. So we should be good with that. So luckily the place I leave the car is just right there. You wash it yourself. So I'm gonna just grab the items from the car real quick and get on with it. So let's get this stuff going on. So you guys can see I got all my stuff up here though. Is the bucket I use to wash the car with. Again, I'm gonna wash this car too later on. Just that. Yeah. Yeah, the only bad thing about this, there's always like someone trying to wash their vehicle, so you're always in a rush to get stuff done though. So man, it actually feels like a vlog. So let's come up here, get the car washed. Glad no one is here.